have Model 3 Tesla. I'm trying to change the cabin air filter. So this one says like water clip 1 2 3 4. This one, it's right here, so like on top. You take that one first. The second thing you have to do, you take this piece, it's on the side, you just pop it out, come out like that. And this Tesla I have model 2022. So the filter, it's right here. You see this piece? So you take this screw out, and then you pull this piece out, come like that, and then you take the filter out, and then you place that. So easy, guys. Thank you for watching.